on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making garlic butter pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 12 tablespoons of butter, 25 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 8 ounces of linguine pasta, or you can use spaghetti, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese divided, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and salt will be at your own discretion. We're also going to need olive oil for frying. To a pot of salted boiling water, I'm going to add in my linguine pasta, and we're going to let that cook until it's al dente, which is approximately 10 to 11 minutes. Once your pasta is done cooking, you want to turn off the heat, drain it, and set it to the side. Now in a small pan with olive oil, I'm going to add in my garlic cloves. You want your heat to be on medium. We're going to let that simmer until our garlic cloves are nice and golden brown. And guys, this is going to be at a slow simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes so they can soften and get golden. Okay guys, as you can see, they're starting to get golden. Okay guys, they're now ready to remove from the oil, and you want to just set them to the side. Okay guys, now you want to get your blender. I'm going to be using my chopper for this, and it also purees. So now I'm just going to add in my butter. Now I'm going to add in my garlic cloves, my ground black pepper, and you guys can add salt if you would like. That's at your own discretion. Okay guys, now we're just going to blend it all together. Okay guys, now I'm going to place our butter mixture into a bowl. Okay guys, so this is the consistency that you want to have. So now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, my basil, and also my dried parsley flakes. And I'm also going to add in my tablespoon of tomato paste. Now you just want to mix it until everything is well combined. Now in a heated skillet, I'm going to add in my linguine. To the linguine, I'm going to add in our butter mixture. Now you can go in and mix it until it's well combined and the noodles are nicely coated. Once your noodles are all coated, you can go in with your crushed red pepper flakes. And guys, you don't have to add exactly a 1/2 teaspoon. It's as much as you would like. And also, you can add in the last of your grated Parmesan cheese. You can just go ahead and give it a nice mix. Okay guys, so here we have it, our garlic butter pasta. So I'm just going to add in a little bit more basil over top, and also I'm going to add a little bit more parsley flakes. This pasta has a nice, bold, delicious flavor. And guys, I told you I will give a review on my 3-cup chopper from the Beautiful collection, and I did use it in this video, and it works perfectly. It does exactly what it's supposed to do, and I'm satisfied with it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?